is not my favorite. Ichiban lipstick for men. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis, and in this video we're going to test together the lip products from the NYX Advent Calendar. In this video I'm going to do the lip swatches for all the lip products. If you want to see the unboxing video of the NYX Advent Calendar, I will have a card here so you can find it easier. Let me know if you have a favorite lip product by NYX Cosmetics. I don't have one, but I am guessing that I will find one. Share this video with a friend that likes Advent calendars. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. I have done my eye makeup, also my face makeup today with the products from the NYX Advent Calendar, and I will post that video in a few days. On my lips now I have the Intense Butter Gloss in the color Sweet Nothing. This is a thick lip gloss. It is very glossy and comfortable on the lips. In the first few seconds that I have applied it, I was having a tingling effect and I was like, oh my god, am I allergic or something? But after that it stopped and now I don't feel anything. This is a light lilac color that will look fantastic on someone with a darker skin tone. After that I'm going to apply the This Is Everything lip oil in Cranberry Mint. This is like a clear lip gloss. It feels like an oil. It doesn't have a scent or a taste. I like that. Next we have the lip oil in Candy Pop, and it has this beautiful packaging. It is purple shiny. I want to see how it looks, but I think it is exactly the same like the previous one. I think I'm having the same tingling effect again like with the butter gloss. I don't know why. These have the same taste, same scent. They look exactly the same on the lips. I don't know why we have two different products. If you have any idea, please let me know in the comments because I don't know what's happening. I don't have the tingling effect anymore. We also have the butter gloss in the shade Glazy Days. This one is not as dark as you think it is, and also it is a butter gloss. It has a thick consistency like the Intense Butter Gloss. It is like a light beige caramelly color. This one is not as glossy and shiny as the Intense Butter Gloss, but I don't mind that. I actually like them both, and I like the color of this one. I think this one will look very nice on top of a more natural lipstick, like a light peachy creamy lipstick. Superb! After that we have the Sleep Tease full color lip oil in the color Poppin'. I think it is setting on my lips, so I will wait a few seconds to see what's happening. Okay, so this is not a lip oil, guys. On their website it says that this gives a satin matte finish. It was difficult to make it look opaque and to have an even layer of color. Let me know if you have another color of the Sleep Tease full color lip oils, and if you like them. We have the soft matte metallic lip cream in the color Nantes. I feel that I have something heavy on my lips and something that it is setting like a liquid lipstick. I like this color for an eyeshadow, but especially for a metallic lipstick I don't like it. It sets in the fine lines. It is intensifying the dryness of my lips. This one is not my favorite. After that I will apply the soft matte lip cream in the color Vienna. As I have seen in their website, the soft matte lip creams have names from different cities, and you can also find one that it is named after Cyprus. The applicator is not picking enough product, and it's difficult to apply it, maybe because it is new. I like it on me. I think it will look even better on someone with a darker skin tone, and as we can see, this one has a matte finish and it looks very velvety. If I press my lips together, the product moves a little bit on the center of my lips. Yeah, this is not transfer proof. I like the formula a lot of this one. It is very comfortable and lightweight on the lips. Also, it is so beautiful. This soft matte finish is so nice. We continue with Liquid Sweat Cream Lipstick in the shade Peanut Brittle. And this is like a burnt orange shade. Oh my god, this looks so nice. It's not completely matte, but I think it looks more like a liquid lipstick. It has like a velvet matte finish. If I press my lips together, it is sticky. And as I can see, I have lost some color on the upper lip and a little bit on the center. Maybe you need to let it dry for more minutes. Let me know if you have another Liquid Sweat creamy lipstick and how long it takes to be completely dry. We also have a matte lipstick. This one is in the shade Fluff Piece and it is this beautiful light pink color. Let's see how it looks on the lips. It has a very artificial scent. The taste is very similar to the scent. It's not very nice. If you have seen my Makeup Revolution lipstick swatches, you know that I don't like these colors on me. This one is not very complimentary for my skin tone. If I press my lips together, the product is getting patchy, is moving, and it is also setting in my final lines. We also have a very fun color, a matte lipstick in the shade Sorbet. This one has the same scent. That's something new. Ichiban lipstick for men. This is not looking nice on me. I like the formula though, I don't like the scent. Yeah, it separates just on the outer edge of my lips. Let's continue with liquid lipstick in Sleep. This is a light brown grey lipstick. It reminds me a little bit of the 90s. We also had the lipstick of Friends, Joy. It is completely matte. This is a liquid lipstick. So this is transfer proof. It is a little bit sticky even after a few minutes. The color moves just a little bit here. After that we have a more vibrant color. And this is a cream lipstick in the shade Starstruck. All of this color is with only one swipe, guys. Pigmented. This one looks fantastic on the lips. I like these colors on me. It makes my teeth brighter and whiter. I think it's been 5 minutes. Let's see if it is completely dry now. Okay, so this is transfer proof. If I press my lips together, it is still very tacky. I am guessing if you let it dry for 10 minutes, it will be completely dry and not sticky at all. It's not completely lightweight. You feel that you have something on your lips. If you want to make this liquid lipstick glossy, you can apply the lip oil. With the lip oil is more comfortable on the lips, so glossy. After the new discovery, we have the brown lipstick. This is the deep rooted liquid lipstick. This looks like a mess. This is not easy to make it look opaque and smooth. This one makes my teeth whiter. I love that. I think this one dries quicker than the previous liquid lipstick in Sleep. This is a very dark chocolatey brown lipstick. Let me know if you like these lipsticks on you. It is transfer proof, as we can see. It is not sticky. The color stays in place. I will use the lip oil to see how it looks. I will clean my applicator and after that dip it again into the tube. This looks so luxurious. I love it. As you have noticed, I like glossy and shiny things. I prefer it this way. Let's continue with the soft matte lip cream in Kiev. This one has a very nice scent. This one is very difficult to make it opaque on my lips. It's always easier to work with a black lipstick if you have applied a black lip pencil as a base. My favorite products are the lip oils, the butter glosses, and also the soft matte lip cream in Vienna. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below what is your favorite lipstick of this video. I think the most unique lip color is the sorbet. This is a crazy lipstick. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!